And you can see this next collection especially for Ramzan and especially for wedding season. You can watch this collection. It's going to be in the Zardozi work as well, the cut work. It's also going to be in the 700 below range. You can see this is Roman silk fabric. You can see this 3-piece is going to be very beautiful. So today I brought you very different kind of 3-piece collection which are going to be in the thread work, embroidery work and all different type of work fabrics. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. So first collection is going to be in yellow, beautiful yellow sunflower color. You can see this color very beautiful. You can see the daman as well. It is all about the Kashmiri work. You can see this collection is going to be very beautiful. And if I talk about the set, you are going to get medium, large, XL, double XL in this set. And this is the same fabric bottom, and along with it you will get something like this very beautiful dupatta, proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So you heard it right, 2.5 meter dupatta for you. You can check this collection is going to be very beautiful. And if you want to order this collection, you just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, and you can even directly message us, because you can even directly video call us. You can see this beautiful collection. You know Makar Sankranti is coming, a lot of festival is coming, wedding season is coming. So if your customer needs something light collection, this is going to be very beautiful, and it is going to be under 700 rupees. You can see this collection, and it will come along like this type of dupatta. You can see it is going to be in the sequence work, and you are going to get the same rayon fabric pants as well. Now I talk about the next collection. You can see this very beautiful collection, and it will come in contrast pant, contrast dupatta. It is going to be in the collar pattern as well. You can see the neck as well. It is going to be in the multicolor work, and you are going to get proper this type of contrast pants and the proper contrast dupatta. So you're liking this collection. So if you want to order these collection from wherever you are watching this video, we have COD facility available. Secondly, international shipping is also available, so you can order from anywhere from the world. And you can see this next collection especially for Ramzan and especially for wedding season. You can watch this collection. It's going to be in the Zardozi work as well, the cut work. And if I talk about the cut work, you are going to get something like this printed lining with the cut work. It's going to be very beautiful. And if I talk about the price, it is going to be under 1000 rupees. So now I am going to show you the most viral, most trendy collection of Shiven Trendz. You can see this is bandhej design collection. You can see the daman as well. It's going to be very beautiful. Plus you can see the neck as well. It's going to be very beautiful, and you can see the sleeves as well. If you want to order these collections, you just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. You can see that this is going to be very beautiful. And even on the bottom wear, you are going to get the work, cut work with the bottom wear. Now I talk about the next collection. It's also going to be in the 700 below range. You can see this is Roman silk fabric. You can see this 3-piece is going to be very beautiful, very nice collection. And it is going to be with the proper this type of dupatta. You can see this collection, and this is the bottom wear along with it. If you want to order these collections, you just have to do one thing. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. You can see this next collection. It is going to be in the Roman silk. You can see plain basic collection under 700 rupees. Now I am going to show you the bandhani collection, which is very viral in our Shiven Trendz. You can see this next collection. It is going to be in the Lehariya designing. You can see the daman, you can see the sleeves, you can see the neck area. Along with it, you are going to get something like this proper cut work dupatta. So if you want to order these collections, you just have to do one thing. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. In all the sets, in all the pieces, you're going to get proper set wise. It's only for B2B, not for B2C. So don't call for B2C, only call for B2B. And you can see this next collection. It's again going to be in the bandhani. You can see this collection also, very beautiful, very nice and vibrant color. And now I'm going to show you the last collection. First of all, see the dummy, you can see the very beautiful designing as well the neck work, hand work concept. Now I'm going to show you the table design, very cute, very beautiful, proper sunflower yellow color. On the neck as well, you can see the proper handwork, and on the daman area, on the blow area, you can see the work. If you want to order all these collections, you just have to do one thing. I have told you, you can directly call us, visit us, and channel is yours. Like, comment and share, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.